Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best vibe replacement heads is probably one of the most important accessories for your sonic toothbrush. Today, we're diving deep into the Aquasonic Vibe series replacement heads, exploring their features, benefits, and whether they live up to the hype. We'll examine everything from bristle quality to the overall cleaning experience, helping you decide if these replacement heads are the right choice for your oral hygiene routine. Number 5. Aquasonic Vibe Series Electric Toothbrush, Ruby. This is the Vibe series, a modern electric toothbrush packed with the latest technology. It features a powerful motor and a long-lasting battery, designed to provide a superior clean. The Vibe series has earned the prestigious ADA seal of approval. It's proven to effectively remove plaque and improve gum health, offering complete oral care. Each Vibe series comes with 8 DuPont brush heads, lasting up to 2 years. A custom travel case is also included, making it perfect for travel. The Vibe series has enhanced features, including wireless charging and multiple brushing modes. The sleek, waterproof design makes it a stylish and practical choice. Inside, you'll find the Ruby Smart Toothbrush, 8 brush heads, a travel case, a user manual, and a warranty card. It has everything you need for a brighter, healthier smile. What we like? This toothbrush is ADA accepted, which means it meets the highest standards for safety and effectiveness. It also boasts a powerful 40,000 VPM motor for a superior clean. If you are looking for a toothbrush that combines performance with peace of mind, you should consider this one. What people say. The handle feels well made and balanced, and the brushing is the same as the other big brand. There are 4 settings, but I only use clean and whiten. The charging pad is small and unobtrusive on my counter. Number 4. Aquasonic Vibe Series Electric Toothbrush, Sapphire Blue. This is the Vibe series, a modern electric toothbrush packed with the latest technology. It features a powerful motor and a sleek design, making it a top choice for oral care. The Vibe series boasts an industry-leading motor that produces 40,000 vibrations per minute. This ensures a thorough clean, removing plaque and promoting healthy gums. It's designed to give you a superior clean. The Vibe series has earned the prestigious ADA seal of approval, demonstrating its effectiveness in oral care. It's proven to remove plaque and help prevent gingivitis. You can trust it for your daily oral hygiene. Each Vibe series comes with 8 DuPont engineered brush heads, lasting up to 2 years. Also included is a travel case, perfect for on-the-go use. It's designed for convenience and long-lasting use. With features like wireless charging, multiple brushing modes, and a smart timer, the Vibe series brings toothbrushes into the modern era. It offers a complete oral care experience with its advanced features. Inside, you'll find the Sapphire Blue Smart Toothbrush, 8 brush heads, a travel case, and a user manual. It's everything you need for a superior clean, all in one package. What we like? This model shares the same great features as the Ruby version, including the ADA seal of approval and a powerful motor. It also offers wireless charging for ultimate convenience. If you like a sleek design and powerful cleaning, this is a great choice for you. What people say. The handle feels well made and balanced, and the brushing is the same as the other big brand. There are 4 settings, but I only use clean and whiten. The charging pad is small and unobtrusive on my counter. Number 3. Aquasonic Proflex Replacement Brush Heads, 8-pack. These are genuine Aquasonic replacement brush heads, crafted to official specifications. They are designed for a precise fit and guaranteed quality, ensuring you get the best performance from your toothbrush. These brush heads are compatible with most Aquasonic toothbrush models, including the Black Series, Vibe Series, and Elite models. You can easily upgrade your brushing experience with these replacements. The DuPont engineered Proflex brush heads feature softer bristles around the perimeter for gentle gum care. The firmer bristles in the center effectively polish away surface stains, leaving your teeth feeling clean. These brush heads are ADA accepted and made from high-quality materials. They are gentle on teeth and gums while effectively removing plaque and tartar. You can trust them for a superior clean. Replacing the brush head is easy and takes just seconds. It's recommended to change it every 3 months for optimal brushing performance. Make sure to rinse the bristles well after each use. Aquasonic is a USA-based company and a trusted leader in oral care technology. The products have garnered tens of thousands of happy customers. You can rely on the quality and dedication to customer service. You'll receive 8 Proflex replacement brush heads in white color. It's everything you need to keep your smile bright and healthy. What we like. These replacement heads feature Proflex bristles that are gentle on gums while effectively removing plaque. They are also compatible with a wide range of Aquasonic handles. If you have an Aquasonic toothbrush and want a reliable and effective replacement, you should consider these. What people say. Fits perfectly and feels just like the originals. Cleans well and lasts a while. Much better than the original brush heads. I felt like my teeth weren't clear enough with other brush head. While looking for a new toothbrush, I found these. They bigger, has more bristles and the center bristles are more firm. Love this toothbrush head and now I don't have to buy a new toothbrush. They're soft enough but not extra soft as I wanted. They do work for my needs and it's worth getting the larger pack. Number 2. Aquasonic Proflex Replacement Brush Heads, 3-pack black. These are genuine Aquasonic replacement brush heads, crafted to official specifications. They are designed for a precise fit and guaranteed quality, ensuring optimal performance for your toothbrush. These brush heads are compatible with various Aquasonic models, including Black Series, Vibe Series, and Elite models. You can easily find the perfect fit for your existing toothbrush handle. The DuPont-engineered Proflex brush heads feature softer bristles around the perimeter for gentle gum care. The firmer bristles at the center effectively polish away surface stains, providing a thorough clean. These ADA-accepted brush heads are made from high-quality materials, ensuring they are gentle on teeth and gums. They effectively remove plaque and tartar, providing a superior cleaning experience. Replacing the brush head is simple and takes only seconds. It is recommended to change the brush head every 3 months for optimal performance. Remember to rinse the bristles well after each use. Aquasonic is a reputable US-based brand known for high-performance toothbrushes. Thousands of customers have chosen this brand and praised it for its durability and results. The products reflect a commitment to quality and innovation. The package includes 3 Proflex replacement brush heads in black. This provides you with a convenient supply to maintain your oral hygiene routine. What we like. These replacement heads offer the same great features as the white version, including ADA acceptance and Proflex bristles. They are also compatible with many Aquasonic toothbrush handles. If you are looking for replacement heads in black, this is a great choice. What people say. Fits perfectly and feels just like the originals. Cleans well and lasts a while. Much better than the original brush heads. I felt like my teeth weren't clear enough with other brush head. While looking for a new toothbrush, I found these. They bigger, has more bristles and the center bristles are more firm. Proflex heads are larger with more bristles providing more coverage and the bristles are much firmer, like a soft medium, and the tips feel rounded out. Number 1. Aquasonic Charcoal Brush Heads, Ultra Whitening. These are genuine Aquasonic brush heads, crafted to official specifications. They are designed for a precise fit and guaranteed quality, ensuring optimal performance for your toothbrush. These brush heads are compatible with various Aquasonic models, including the Black Series, Vibe Series, and Duo Pro Series. This versatility makes them a convenient choice for many users. The activated charcoal in these brush heads helps with whitening and stain removal. With regular use, it can help you achieve a brighter smile. Activated charcoal is a natural biological absorbent, providing a detoxifying effect for your gums. Using this can contribute to improved gum health. These brush heads are designed to create fresher, lasting breath. Incorporating them into your daily routine can help you maintain a clean and confident feeling. What we like. These replacement heads are infused with activated charcoal for enhanced whitening and fresher breath. They are also designed to remove stains effectively. If you want a replacement head that offers extra whitening power and a detoxifying effect, you should consider these. What people say. They are fuller, wider than the ones that come with your Aquasonic brushes. I love that fuller brush feel. Does a great job cleaning my teeth and it's easy to use to get under the gum line. Beefier than what came with my brush, they last about 4 months. The bristle are between firm and soft, which I like, and wider than the standard pieces I got from the toothbrush. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.